Hi everyone! Today we're going to bring you to one of the most adventurous hikes in Palawan. The hugs from the trees, the kiss from the leaves, the sound of the sea. Welcome to Masinlawit. See you there. We'll bring you to the top to show you the pleasing view of the most beautiful island in the world, Palawan. We're totally lost. Ooh, this is the question. We got two ways. Welcome to the jungle. We're lost. Leaves and trees. Its nest. It's nice. Are we there yet? I don't think so. Finish yet. 1 week workout. Beautiful view we have here. Birds are flying. Okay.
We are from France.
Oh damn, wait. Okay, it's windy today, so it's a bit scary. Here we are. Big bird nest here. We're definitely at the top of the world.